Hello everyone. In this session, we are discuss about coordinating coordination between different functions and all levels of employees is the essential of organization success. It is an integration of different activities which is essential for their smooth flow. It establishes harmony among all the activities of an organization in achieving desired goal. In an organization, a number of persons are working together to achieve a common goal. Their work is closely linked with each other. Therefore, it becomes necessary to bring together the group efforts and harmonize them carefully. Coordination will not exist unless efforts are taken to achieve it. Coordination means the integration and synchronization of group efforts to achieve all goals of an organization. Coordination between all functions and all levels of employees is most important for an organization to succeed. It binds all the other functions of management. Coordinating within management, coordination as it relates to business is defined as integrating activities to ensure resources of an organization are used most efficiently to succeed in achieving the set goal. Management is responsible for setting and achieving objectives for the organization. The main objectives of an organization should be utilize human and material resources to the maximum possible advantage, that is to fulfill the economic objectives of a business. Introduction. The act or state coordinating or being coordinated. Proper order or relationship. Harmonize, combination or integration as of functions or parts. Now see the definition of coordinating according to Henry Fell. To coordinate is to harmonize all the activities of a concern to facilitate its working and its success. And other definition is Mooney and Riley. Coordination is orderly arrangement of group efforts to provide unity of action in the pursuit of common goals. Dear friends, now see the importance of coordinating. Point number 1, encourage team spirit. In an organization, group of individual work together. There may be existence of conflicts, disputes between individuals, department and employer and employees regarding organizational policies, roles, responsibilities, etc. Coordination arrange the work in such as a way that minimum conflicts are reached. It increases the team spirit at workplace. Next, give proper direction. Coordination integrates departmental activities for achieving common goal of the organization. The work is arranged in a very systematic way. The interdependence of a department gives proper direction to the employees. Next, facilitates motivation. Coordination motivates the employees to take initiative while completing their assigned work. An effective coordination increases efficiently and result into growth and prosperity of the organization. A prosperous organization ensures job security, higher income, promotion, and incentives such as monetary and non-monetary incentives provide job security, motivate the employees for hard work. Next, optimum utilization of resources. Managers try to integrate all the resources systematically. It helps in utilizing all available resources at its optimum level. Coordination also helps to minimize the wastage of resources and control the cost of work. Next, achieve organizational objectives. Coordination leads to minimize the wastage of materials, ideal times of employees, delay in completion of targets, departmental disputes, etc. to a great extent. It ensures smooth working of the organization in the process of achieving the objectives of the organization. Next, improves relation. Coordination develops cordial relation between all the levels of management of an organization. Every department depends on functioning of other department. For example, sales department works according to production department. Production department depends on purchase department and so on. Coordination helps the employees to build strong relations among them and achieve the gives targets. Next, leads to higher efficiency. With the help of optimum utilization of resources and effective integration of resources, the organization can achieve high returns in terms of high productivity. High productivity as well as can reduce the cost. Thus, coordination leads to higher efficiency. Next, improves goodwill. Higher sales and higher productivity can be achieved due to synchronized efforts and organizational people, strong human relations, and lower costs. It directly results into creating goodwill for organization in the market. It reflects on market value of shares as well as it helps in building good image in society. Next, unity of direction. Different activities are performed by different departments. Coordination harmonize these activities for achieving common goal of organization. Thus, coordination gives proper direction to all departments of organization. Next, all departments of the organization are headed by experts in their respective fields. The specialized knowledge of these departmental heads helps in managerial decisions. It leads organization to march towards growth and success in the competitive worlds of business. Thank you.